Hi guys, welcome to the SQL class 2. Today I will explain the what is the requirements of device for the SQL server installation. So how to install the SQL server, how to install the SQL server management. So what is SQL server, what is SQL server management? Yesterday class we will discuss it already. So SQL server. So do we need some device requirements to install the SQL server? So we are installing the Microsoft SQL Server Developer Edition. So for this installation purpose, we need to have some device requirements. Thus, these requirements are Windows 10 or 11, not Windows 8, not Windows 7, not. And minimum RAM requirements is 8 GB, and the minimum hard disk means 1 TB hard disk drive HDD, or else 512 GB SSD. Hard disk HDD means hard disk drive, 512 SSD means solid state drive. And processor i3 or i5 i7 or any upgraded processors. These are the minimum requirements. We are install the two services. We have to install the two services for the SQL. One is the Microsoft SQL Developer Edition. This is used to run the SQL services in our application. And the another one is SSMS. SSMS means SQL Server Management Studio. This is the developer tool for utilizing the users to learn or execute the commands. Where we can execute the commands are executed in the SQL Server Management Studio. That commands are applied to database or SQL server. SQL server is one, SQL Server Management Studio is one. SQL Server Management Studio is worked on the SQL server. In the SQL Server Management Studio, we are using the SQL language. SQL language is structured query language. And SQL Server, in the SQL Server database, we are creating the tables and tables and columns. These are that's guys today enough.